Li means lychees, and there are two elements, the upper part, 草, grass, and the lower part, 鞋. 鞋 means united. We don't use 鞋 alone. And do you notice that there are 3 li in 鞋? Li means strength or power. So when 3 li are together, it is united. How interesting! When we want to say lychees in Mandarin Chinese, we say 荔枝. Sounds like lychees, right? China is the main producer of lychees, and the English name lychee was actually from Chinese. 枝 means a branch. There are 2 elements in 枝. It's the left part, 木, trees, and the right part, 枝, which is also a branch.